What's up, Little M? We're excited to announce our registration is open for our 10th annual Mayor's Fitness Challenge. We're looking forward to seeing you. We're looking forward to getting healthy with you. It's time, it's go time, Little M. Let's go, let's get healthy together. Let's go, Little M, let's get this done.